GoMix S11 2-part cementitious roughing, waterproof bonding primer application guide, tool preparation. Prepare the tools required for construction to ensure a smooth construction process. Step 1. Substrate cleaning. Thoroughly clean the substrate to remove oil stains, dust, and other impurities. Pre-wet dry substrates in advance to ensure there is no stagnant water. If this product is used as a tile back coating, the oil stains, dust, release agents, etc. on the back of the tiles must be cleaned thoroughly. Step 2. Slurry mixing. Next, mix the GoMix S11 waterproof primer. To mix GoMix S11 waterproof primer, pour the liquid component first, then add the powder component. Mix all the liquid and powder components together. Stir evenly until there are no powder lumps before use. Step 3. Brushing the primer. This product is a 4-in-1 product: primer, waterproof coating, roughing, and tile back adhesive. Can adapt to a variety of construction needs. Use a roller brush to dip into the primer. Roll coat the primer evenly on the substrate and the back of the tiles. Ensure 100% full coverage over the entire substrate and the back of the tiles, with no missing spots. After coating is completed, it needs to be left to dry and cool for 24 hours to ensure the primer is completely dry. Effect demonstration. After the primer application is completed and fully dry, scrape and apply tile adhesive. Can effectively enhance the bonding strength of the substrate and the tiles. To prepare for the subsequent tile installation, the above is the complete construction process of GoMix S11 waterproof primer. GoMix full range of products can meet the construction needs of different scenarios, helping you create a firm and flat tiling effect.